So good evening, good evening, good evening. We are back again, and we are going to talk about Kylian MBAPPE. Could potentially be the most expensive footballer on the planet real soon. It's down to him. It's all in his hands. And if he decides to go to Al Hilal, the package is going to be worth 1 billion euros, potentially only for 1 year. We're going to get into all the nitty gritty on this deal. If I can get the frog out my throat. Wow. Okay. Anyway, make sure you are smashing the like button. Make sure you are sharing the content around. Sub to the channel. You lot are moving super slow at the moment. 18.3k. Let's get up to 19k. Come on, people. Make sure you leave your comments and super chats down below. I will get back to you. And leave your comments, questions, and all of that in there. But yesterday, news that shocked the world. Fabrizio put exclusive. Al Hilal have submitted a formal bid to Paris Saint-Germain in order to open talks with Kylian MBAPPE. It's understood to be worth 300 million euros, a record fee. No talks on the player's side. PSG remain convinced that MBAPPE has already agreed terms with Real Madrid with a contract ready. But let's break down the whopping amount of money. The deal could be worth yearly 700 million euros. Breaking that down, TalkSport have broke this down. 58.3 million euros a month. Not bad. 13.3 million euros a week. It's around 1.9 million euros a day. Nice life. 80,000 euros an hour. 1,332 thousand euros. 1,332,000 euros per minute. And every second is 22 euros. It's not a bad gig, is it? I mean, come on. It could be a lot worse. I mean, come on. I mean, it could be a lot worse. Imagine getting paid a whopping 58.3 million a month. Do you know what's crazy? It's later that evening, PSG accepted a bid of the 300 million euros, which equates to 259 million pounds, I believe. And it's kind of crazy because this is going to be a world record fee and a world record salary. They've even said, look, you can come for just like literally 1 year and you can go to Madrid. If you want to compare this money to Ronaldo's money out there, it's night and day. Ronaldo's on 6. This is it. I don't know why they've put it in dollars. Dollars and euros are not far apart either, but $6.7 per second. Obviously, Mbappe's was 22 per second, but obviously in euros. In fact, let me have a look at the exchange rate. Because last time I checked, it was pretty similar. Let's have a little look. The dollar, there we go. Okay. Well, it's there or thereabouts. It's not a million miles away. It's about 10%. Yeah, €1 is $1.11, so 11% higher. They're there or thereabouts. But listen, this is a ridiculous deal. I can't lie. Me personally, though, I don't think he's accepting it. I may be the only one on the planet that thinks he ain't going to Saudi. And the reason I think he's not going to Saudi is because I think he wants to smash every single record in Europe. And listen, he can go to Saudi. He'll earn 700 million quid. That's not the issue. He's minted anyway. Now, he's got all the money in the world. I know this is record-breaking money and all that. He's going to get top dollar at Madrid. He's getting top dollar at, there's only so much money you can have when you're kicking a football around every week. Still got to train every week. Can't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. Can't sit and be drinking and going out partying. And all that when you retire, of course. But he wants to continuously, this is how I believe in it. I believe that this guy's so driven that if he goes to Saudi, that's the end of that. No Champions League goals. No goals in European football. Yes, he can still play in World Cups and Euros and all of that, and that's great. But I don't think he's going. And I know it may only be for 1 year, and he could go there and score 179 million goals. It's irrelevant. Nobody cares. Nobody's watching it. Nobody's going to watch it. Let's be real. Whether he goes there or not, nobody's watching it. You know, they need a good few hundred players out there of a decent standard, and then people might get invested. Nobody's really watching it when Ronaldo's out there. I've not watched any. Have you watched any? Has anyone watched the Saudi League since Ronaldo got there? No. There you go. Maybe you have. Maybe you're an avid Ronaldo fan. Maybe you have been watching it. If Mbappe goes there, that ain't enough to tempt me into watching it. Whether Benzema, Mahrez, and listen, you know I love Mahrez. Yeah, that ain't enough to tempt me. I want to see 200-300 players out there from the European leagues, and they're going, actually, yeah, I might give that a go. Mbappe ain't going to do that for me. And listen, it's a lot of money. It's a shed load of money. But I don't believe he is motivated just by money. I think he actually wants the records, wants the achievements, wants the glory, wants Ballon d'Ors. Yeah? Like, is he going to get a Ballon d'Or playing in Saudi? The answer is no. So there we go. Listen, he'll run rings around everybody out there. They all look good. They're going to be sharing the clips around. Oh my God, Mbappe just run around seven players, run all the way back, and then did it again, and then chipped the goalkeeper. Yeah, great. Nobody cares. Don't do it against the best of the best. Don't do it in the Champions League. Don't do it in World Cups again. Listen, he was fantastic in that World Cup final, and he went way up in my estimations. Way up. Yeah, the mentality. And that is why I don't think he's going to go. PSG are desperate to sell, because obviously he don't want to stay. So they've got to get some kind of money back. And I said this to my friend yesterday. I said, if you actually add up how much money he's probably brought into PSG in terms of sponsorship deals and stuff like that by being the poster boy for French football, he's probably not really cost them a lot of money. I know he cost them 170 million or whatever it was when they signed him, and he's getting paid a shed load of money every week. And when you actually look at the investments into PSG from other companies, sponsorship deals, etc., if they sell him, even not for the money that's been put on the table now, if they was to sell him to, I don't know, Madrid for about 170, they've got their cash money back that they spent on him, 6 years ago from Monaco. Now add up all the wages that they've paid him in that time, they've probably made that back and maybe more off of sponsorships. So it's genuinely not going to cost them anything if they get a fee for him. So, listen, I don't think he's going anywhere other than Real Madrid. It wouldn't surprise me, though, if he rocked up at Man City, but I don't see it. I genuinely don't see it. I think he's nailed on for Madrid. Florentino Perez was talking yesterday, as he always does, by the way. Big up Florentino Perez. Not sure where any of our owners are. Oh, they're hiding, counting their money, saying, right, how can we stitch our fans up for more? Yeah, cool. Let's raise the prices again. Oh, whack the price. Yeah, whack the prices up, lads. Crazy. But yeah, Florentino Perez came out. He was asked about Kylian Mbappe, and he just said, yo, I'm calm. Yeah, I'm calm. We'll see what happens. I'm calm. And listen, Florentino Perez is a gangster, mate. That guy don't ramp. So when he's saying he's calm, I'm thinking he's going Madrid, people. Fabrizio has also said that there's an agreement in place. PSG think that it's done to Madrid. But of course, PSG want the most money, 259 million. They want some money, and they want to try and break even on this deal, or maybe level up a little bit. I don't think he's going Saudi. Listen, I may be completely wrong. He may be just totally money orientated. Excuse me, totally money orientated, and go, yo, I'm going straight to Saudi. I'm going to collect that P. And listen, most people on the planet, looking at them figures, would go, yo, I'm on the next flight, mate. Yeah, send the golden Learjet. Send the jet, lads. Come on. Yeah, I'm on the flight. Yeah, I'm on my way. But this is Kylian Mbappe. Kylian Mbappe is one of the highest paid players in world football already. So, like I said, it's not like he's going to be going out spending the money every night. He can have anything he wants anyway. So now why not have all the trophies and adulation of playing in European football rather than going to Saudi, whether it be for 1 year or not? I don't know. We shall see. This saga is obviously going to continue. And it's nice sitting back watching it, actually. I can't lie. Because football has gone absolutely wild. The standard of football has gone from up here to down here over the last 30 years. But the money has gone from down here to up here. So you can actually be absolutely bang average and get top dollar up here. It's mad, isn't it? I'm not saying Mbappe is bang average, by the way. I'm just saying in general. But yeah, I do find it mad. And some of these footballers that grew up and played in the previous generation and the one before that were getting paid down there, they must be sitting there thinking, mate, half of this lot ain't got it. Half of them are crap. They're getting paid 5 times, 10 times, 15 times what we were getting paid. Must be a ball ache for them. But it is what it is. Listen, everyone have a blessed day. I've got a video coming out on the other channel, Lee Gunner. So go and check that out. That's going to be about Caicedo. Talks with Chelsea have stalled. So listen, Arsenal need to swoop like an eagle. Straight in. We're having you. Thank you very much. Probably won't happen, but come and check out the video anyway. And then I'm off to the pool for the day. I am on with Terry Flewers at R4. So make sure you come and check that out as well, people. But listen, smash the like button, sub to the channel, super chats and comments down below. And let me know your thoughts on Mbappe. Do you think he's going to go? Should he go? You decide. Leave it in the comment section. Adios.